A man accused of killing a San Diego toddler 14 years ago is scheduled to be arraigned tomorrow. Tieray Jones was arrested last week in connection with the death of 2-year-old Jahi Turner. CBS News 8's Brandon Lewis is live at the Hall of Justice downtown with some of the unique challenges the prosecution and defense face in this infamous case. Brandon?
Yeah, Carlos, certainly going to be some challenges in that case and when it does go to trial. But first, of course, is the arraignment that's going to take place here tomorrow. Prosecutors will have the opportunity to lay out the charges against Jones and explain why they believe that he shouldn't be released. He's currently in the Central Jail on a no bail hold. And we expect tomorrow, when they're in front of the judge, they will lay out a little bit about the new evidence that they have in this case. Tieray Jones once asked for the public's help finding his stepson after claiming the 2-year-old disappeared from a park. The boy was never found, and almost to the day of the 14th anniversary of the claim, Jones will be arraigned for Jahi's murder.
When you're talking about a cold case murder, once a prosecutor and law enforcement points the finger at a suspect, they better be pretty sure that that's the right person.
The DA wouldn't say what new evidence was discovered. Criminal defense attorney Vikas Bajaj says the case will be difficult for both sides.
On the defense side, the argument that will umbrella this entire case will be my client is under the microscope because there's no one else that could have been under the microscope. And that's a strong defense position to have. The prosecution here has to make a very strong showing that they have not singled out Jahi's stepfather at the time simply because he was the only one that could have done it.
Bajaj also predicts the prosecution will present some type of new recording, possibly from Jones's time served in prison for an assault charge.
Well, when you're on the phone in custody, you don't have privacy rights. Sometimes revelations that are exposed, which are recorded, can really come back and bite you. Jones was arrested in North Carolina and waived extradition back here to San Diego. Arraignment is scheduled for tomorrow afternoon here at the Hall of Justice at 1:30.